didn't desire to be at. Instead, trust the understanding above us that came from before us, because that was meant for you, person, to apply to your work. Ho, brain, ho. So if one person is using their right hand, accessing their left hemisphere at 10%, and that same person goes to then use their left hand and they're accessing their right hemisphere, does that make it 20%? When you ask yourself a question, is it the atom asking the atom, or is it the atom asking the atom? Frogs are singing a song. This frog is saying that time lapses at this frequency and pace. Hi, it's nice to meet you. I'm not a frog. Atom or atom? I'm saying both. Well, how could you, mate? Well, the electricity seed, 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 into material. And the material expanded. The beginning of thinking about the things we don't know led me to a place where I'm here, holding this lampshade. I have superheroes too. Yeah, I have villains too. And I'm afraid that they're out there. My superheroes. And me villains. Are they out there? When it takes somebody like me to introduce concepts that we should already all know about, we've obviously got a problem. Me problem is, people don't know the difference between right and wrong. Am I claiming I do? Am I saying I know the difference between right and wrong? No. But I'm saying, stop. You already know. You know the difference. Ain't nobody gotta tell you. There's no one else who can do what you can do the way you can do it.